Very good afternoon, my dear students. All of you on your videos, sit properly, take out the textbook and running notes. Welcome back to mathematics class. Who is 23? On your video, boy. Boy are there. On your video, 23. Okay, we are discussing about percentage unit. In percentage unit, exercise 8.3, second bit. Already first bit completed. In previous class, I explained this one. Okay, second bit, convert the following into fractions and keep them in the lowest term wherever possible. Second bit. Into fractions. And keep them in the lowest term wherever possible. Here, percentage form given, these percentage form have to change it to fraction form, and if it is possible simplification, that is lowest terms, change into lowest terms. Wherever possible, we can do lowest terms, change into lowest terms. This first one. 12 whole 1 by 2 percentage. Yes, 12 whole 1 by 2, come this side. 12 whole 1 by 2 is mixed fraction. First, this mixed fraction has to change into improper fraction. How can we change into improper fraction? Already multiplication and division of fractions we learned in second unit. Yes, children? Did you remember? Okay. Very good. 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. 25 by 2. Okay, that is a improper fraction of given mixed fraction. One by 2 percentage equal. Here, this is the mixed fraction. Okay. Here, whole number and proper fraction is there. 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. Here, 12 is whole number. So, this fraction we have to change into improper fraction. How can we change into improper fraction here? 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1. Whole number into denominator plus numerator. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 25 by 2. Percentage. Now, from percentage to, we have to change into fraction form. What we do? Percentage form. For example, 25%. How can we write fraction form? This is a percentage form, 25%. How can we write in fraction form? Say anyone. Now, in Telugu class, 28 members present. Now, in this class, 23 only. What happened, remaining students? 25%, how can we write in fraction form? Say anyone. Very good. 25 by 100. 25 by 100. Very good. 25%. Percent. Percent means per 100. 25 per 100. 25 is out of 100. So we can write that one. 25 by 100. 25 is out of 100. Okay. So here 25 by 2 percentage. Here also same by 100. Right, by 100. 25 by 2 into 100. Okay. Now, here simplification, if it is possible, we can do. Yes, here it is possible. How can we do? 25 ones are 25 fours are. 25 fours are 100. Now, 1 by 4 twos are 8. 1 by 8 is answer. Okay. Did you understand, ma'am? One more I will explain. Second one. What is second one? 6 whole 2 by 3. 6 whole 2 by 3 percentage. A 6 whole 2 by 3 is mixed fraction. Change into improper fraction. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 by 3 percentage. 20 by 3 percentage. 6 whole 2 by 3 percentage equal 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 by 3 percentage. Now, when percentage, from percentage form to we have to write in fraction form. 20 by 3 into 100. 20 by 3 into 100. Denominator write 100. That is it. Into 100. Here simplification possible we can do. Yes, here it is possible. 21 is 25. 1 by 3 5 is 15. 1 by 15 is answer. Did you understand? Shall I explain one more problem? Say yes or no. Okay. The next one, third one. 9 4 3 by 5. 9 4 3 by 5. Here 9 4 3 by 5 is mixed fraction. 9 4 3 by 5 change into improper fraction. Say anyone improper fraction of this given fraction. What is the improper fraction of 9 4 3 by 5? Change into improper fraction and say the answer. 9 4 3 by 5. Say anyone. 48 by, yes, Preetham did it. Very good. 48 by 100. In denominator 100 is there. First here we are changing into only improper fraction. Fraction have to see only fraction. No need to see here percentage. Yes, 48 by 5. Very good. 9 5 is 45. 45 plus 3, 48. 48 by 5 percentage. Now you can write into denominator 100. Now you write denominator 100. 5 into 100. 5 into 100. Now here any simplification possible? Do. Here it is possible first of all. Here it is possible or not? Simplification here is possible or not? 48 by 5 into 100. If it is possible, okay, say yes. Or otherwise, no. Yes, teacher. Okay. How can we simplify? 48 by 100 we can simplify because of here in ones place 8 is there, so divided by 2 or divided by 4 also. Next 100 divided by 4 or 100 divided by 5. Sorry, 100 divided by 4. 12 4s are 4 12s are 4 12s are 48. 4 25s are 100. Okay, 4 12s are 12 fours are 48. With 2 table and with 4 table also done. Not only 2 table. Next, with 4 table also we can simplify. 4 12s are 48. 4 25s are 100. So we can simplify with 4. 4 12s are. Yes. 12 by 60. 25 5s are 60. Is it correct? 25 5s are. What is the product of 25 and 5? 25 5s are. Say anyone? No, not 60. That is wrong answer. What is the product of 25 and 5? 5 25s are. 25 5s are. 25 5s are 25. Right? Rashika ready? Multiply why? Yes, very good. 125. Is 12 by 125. This is answer. Is 12 by 125. Not 125, 125. Okay, write down. Start. 43. మీరు ఫ్రెండ్కి ఇచ్చారు మీ కాలేజ్ 33లో ఒకటి వేయించారు 30 30 అన్నీ ఉంది మీ దగ్గర Okay, did you complete Amma? Shall I erase? Okay, next one, fourth one. Okay, I will explain fourth one also. One problem only I am giving for your homework children. Okay, last one, fifth one only I am giving homework. Okay, that one you complete and send me. Some of children did not do homework. 66 4 2 by 3 percentage. 66 4 2 by 3 percentage. First, this one mixed fraction change into improper fraction. 66 into 3. 66 3 is the 3 6 is 18. 3 6 is 18 plus 1 90. 198. 198 plus 2. 198 plus 2. Say faster. 98 plus 2. 200. 200 by 3 percentage. Now from percentage form we have to change into fraction form. 200 by 3 into 100. If it is possible simplification, do. How can we do? 100 ones are 100 twos. Now what is the answer? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Did you understand, children? This one. Only this topic. From mixed fraction percentage form, we have to change into fraction form. This one. How can we change into from percentage form to fraction form? Today's topic only this one only. If you have any doubt, raise your hand, children. Understand, Bhavani. Okay, very good. Next. Anybody? No doubts. Okay. Okay. Good. Now, exercise 8.4. What is? Exercise 8.4. First bit. The 25% are 40. 25% are 40. What we do? 25% of 40 means 25 by 100 into 7 into 40. You can do it like that only. Did you complete fourth one also? Shall I erase it? Fourth one, complete. Complete fast. Hope you completed. Remaining one problem is there, that is homework 5. Complete and send it. 25% of 40. 25% of 40, we have to do multiply. 25 by, first percentage form is there here, 25%. 25% we have to write in fraction form, 25 by 100. 25 by 100 into 40. Into 40. Now here it is possible simplification, we can do simplify. 0, 0 cancel. Next 2 goes up, 2, 5. Next 5 answer, 5, 5. What is the answer? 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 10 is the answer. Did you understand? Once again, I will explain. Listen carefully. 25 by 100. 25% we have to write in fraction form. 25 by 100. 25% is nothing but 25 by 100 into 40. 25% are 40 given here. So multiply by 40. Now simplification. Here in 40, 0 is there, and in 100, 2 zeros are there. 0, 0 cancel. Next 4 and 10. We simplify. How can we simplify? 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Next we have 25 by 5. 5 answer, 5 answer. Okay. What is the remaining numbers product is 10. 5 2s are 10. Answer is 10. Okay. Next second one is 18% of 100. 18% of 300. Did you understand that? Tomorrow I must bring my notebook. 18% of 300. Same 18% is 18 by 100. This 18 by 100 into 300. 100 into 300. Same. 100 1, 100 3. 2 zeros cancel also. Here 1 and here 3 will come. Okay. Next, remaining numbers. What is the product of remaining numbers? Here, remaining numbers, which numbers are there here first? 18 and 3. 18 3 is a 18 into 3. 18 3 is a. Learn tables children first. Very good. 18 3 is a 54. 54 is answer. Next one more. That is 8th one. I am explaining about 8th one. What is 8th one? 200% of 50. Same here, 200% is nothing but 200 by 100 into 50. 200 by 100 into 50. 100 ones are 100 twos are. Your simplification. 100 ones are 100 twos are. Next 15 twos are 15 twos are 2 15s are. 2 15s also you can say. 15 twos are also say. Ajay, forget about 15 twos are 30. Answer is 30. Okay. Did you understand this bit also? What is exercise 8.4 first bit children? Exercise 8.4 first bit and exercise 8.3 second bit. Remaining problems complete your own. If you have any doubt in this topic, raise your hand children. In these problems also. No doubts. Rashekar Reddy. What is your doubt, Rashekar Reddy? Amampati Harshad. I explained already worksheet up to day 15. So you complete worksheet and practice from your worksheet also. On 6th or 8th you have exam. So complete your worksheet and practice. Rashekar Reddy. Unmute yourself. Rashekar Reddy, unmute. Okay, unmute, but your voice is not coming, boy. Your voice is not coming. So you call me. Okay? Then I will clarify your doubt. Third one again explain. Third one. In which exercise? Which exercise? Same exercise 8.4 only. I explained first one and second one. Eighth one, boy. This is not it. Third one. Eighth one. Remaining problems here. 9 problems are there. Remaining 6 problems complete your own. Bhavani. Okay. Mute yourself, Bhavani.
Teacher, in worksheet day 7 explain teacher.
Day?
In worksheet day 7 fourth one explain teacher.
Day 7. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Only 50. Day 7, no? Day 6. Okay. Day 7. Day 7 third bit. Day 7 third one. The 69 subtracted from 69 subtracted subtracted from 4 times 18 is 3. Yes, this is only your doubt. Bhavan? Okay. Yes, 69 subtracted from? No. Okay, which one then? Unmute yourself first.
Fourth one, teacher.
A number is 5 less than the product of 95 and 3.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, so this one also I am explaining. Listen. 18 4 the 18 4 the 72. 72 minus 69 equal to 3. So 72 minus 69 equal to 3. This is the answer. Okay, next. Fourth one. Number is 5 less than 5 less than the product of 95 and 3. Find the number. Product of 95 and 3. What is the product of 95 and 3? 95 3 is 95 into 3. What is the answer? 95 3 is 3 5 is 16. 3 9 is 27. 27 28. 285. 285.
200.
285. But a number is 5 less than. 5 less than. 5 less than means subtract 5.
Subtract.
This is the answer. $285 minus 5. Are you doing that?
280, teacher.
280.
280.
280 is answer. Find the number. That is only answer. Find the number. What is that number? 280. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, teacher. Understand, teacher.
Okay, children, our mathematics class completed. Okay, I'm going to complete this class. Okay, if you have any doubt in your from textbook and worksheet also, you call me. Personally, you call me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. I hope you understand today's class. Okay, children. Thank you, everyone.